If you are watching this, I want to ask you a question that most people are too afraid to answer. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and genuinely thanked the person looking back at you? Not for the wins, not for the moments where everything went right, but for the nights you had to cry yourself to sleep, quiet enough so the rest of the world wouldn't hear you. Today, we are doing something different. This isn't just a video. It's a living, breathing letter. A letter written from the trenches of today, addressed directly to the person you are going to become. Because right now you might feel like you're just surviving, but the person you're about to meet tomorrow, they are the proof that you made it. Dear future self, I'm writing this to you from the season you thought would break us. I'm writing this with hands that are still a little shaky, from a heart that has been bruised, misled, and left to figure things out in the dark. I know exactly what it feels like right now to wonder if the pain has a point. I know what it's like to look at a calendar and dread tomorrow, because yesterday felt like an emotional marathon you never trained for. If you've forgotten how we got to where you are standing right now, let me remind you. Remember the failures? The moments where we gave everything we had, poured our entire soul into a dream, a job, a relationship, only for it to fall apart anyway. Remember the heavy, suffocating silence of the slow season? The months where it felt like everyone else was moving forward and we were just trapped in place, waiting for a breakthrough that felt like a myth? I need you to remember that pain, not to make you sad, but because that pain is the currency we use to buy your freedom. Every single tear we shed in this room wasn't wasted. It was watering the soil for the person you are today. You see, endurance isn't just about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about realizing that you are made of the kind of fabric that doesn't wash away in the rain. We didn't just survive the past. We extracted wisdom from it. We took the rejections and turned them into armor. We took the heartbreaks and turned them into boundaries. We took the absolute rock bottom and realized it was the only foundation solid enough to build an empire on. So, future self, let me ask you, are you taking care of the life I fought so hard to give you? Are you honoring the sleepless nights? Or have you let a little bit of comfort make you forget the fire it took to forge you? I am writing this to tell you that I forgive you. I forgive you for the mistakes we haven't even made yet. I forgive you for the times you will doubt yourself because I know how deep the old wounds go. But more than that, I am writing this to tell you that I believe in you. If you are looking back at this video during a new trial, hear my voice. We have an unbroken track record of surviving our worst days, 100%. We have never stayed down, not once. I don't know what your current bank account looks like. I don't know who stayed in your life or who walked away. But I know who you are. You are the resurrection after the collapse. You are the recovery after the pain. You are the success story that people will talk about when they need hope. To everyone watching this right now, this isn't just my letter, it's yours. Your current struggle is just the backstory for the person you are becoming. Don't quit on them. They are counting on you to survive today. If this message found you at the exact moment you needed it, write a single line in the comments below to seal the contract with your tomorrow. Just write, "Dear future self, I'm not giving up."